Welcome. In this video I will show you how to control your camera on iPhone using Apple Watch Series 11. The first way you can do this is by opening the control center. To do that, press the side button on your Apple Watch and then scroll down through the options, then select Edit. Then tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the camera remote app, tap on it, and then tap on this tile to add it to the tiles list in your control panel. Then tap done, and now you can control your iPhone's camera by tapping right here. And this way you'll be able to take photos on your iPhone's camera and also change some camera settings right in this app. For example, you can zoom and change the zoom level using the digital crown to scroll. You can take the photo by tapping this button, this icon in the middle, and you can change the settings by tapping the three dot icon in the bottom right corner. Here you can enable or disable a timer. You can change the camera from rear to front one. Now you can also toggle flash here, toggle live photo or live photo or HDR, and to apply new settings, press done. The other way to do this is by opening the app library. To do that, press the digital crown, then scroll down to camera remote feature and tap on it, and this way you will open the very same application. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.